Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will create the clamp. The detailed view of the model is shown on the right. So let's start. Starting a new part document, double click on the screen. The Welcome SolidWorks window will appear. From here, choose the part button. Now we have to create the base feature of the model, for which go to Features Command Manager and select the Extruded Boss Base button and select the front plane as the sketching plane. Click here. Now we will draw the sketch by using the tools available in the Sketch Command Manager. From the Sketch Command Manager, go to Line drop down and select the center line. Click on the origin and create one vertical line. Again go to Line drop down. Now select the Line tool and create one horizontal and one vertical line. Next, select the Smart Dimension tool. Click on this point and the center line and put the value 19. Next, click on this line and put the value 38. Now choose the OK button. From the Sketch Command Manager, go to Mirror Entities. Click here. The Mirror Property Manager is displayed. In the Entities to Mirror, select this line, and Mirror About, select the center line. Choose the OK button. Next, go to Offset Entities. The Offset Entities Property Manager is displayed. From here, in the offset distance, put the value 2.5 and select the sketch and choose the OK button. Now go to Line drop down, select the Line tool, zoom here and join the lines. Click here and click here and here. Choose the OK button. Next, choose the Sketch Fillet tool from the Sketch Command Manager. Click here. The Sketch Fillet Property Manager is displayed. From here, in the fillet parameter, put the value 1.25 and in Entities to Fillet, click here and here, click here and here. Now choose the OK button. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now we will exit the sketch by clicking on the confirmation corner. Click here. The Boss Extrude Property Manager is displayed. From the Direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be blind, and in the distance spinner, put the value 38 and choose the OK button. The next feature of the model is the Extruded Cut feature. From the Features Command Manager, select the Extruded Cut button and select the right planar face of the model. Click here. Now go to Line drop down and select the center line and click here and create one center line over here. Now go to Circle drop down, select one circle and create one circle over here and choose the OK button. Now go to Smart Dimension, click on Circle and put the value 13. Now click on the origin and this edge and put the value 13. Now choose the OK button. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. Click here. Change the orientation of the model and the Cut Extrude Property Manager is displayed. From the Direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be through all and choose the OK button. Next, we will fillet our model. From the Features Command Manager, select the Fillet button and Items to Fillet, click here. Select the edge, click here, click here, click here, click here, click here, click here and here. Now choose the OK button and this is how our model will look like. Next, saving the model in a dedicated folder, go to Save drop down and select the Save As button. From here, choose the motorcycle project folder and in the file name, Name it as clamp. Now choose the save button. Now the model is saved. Thanks for watching the video.